Alright guys, quick video on my large Lockback knives, and this is in response to an OpenTag that Williams Knife Life put out. So here we go. Here's my large Lockbacks. This one's a counterpoint one, made by Cold Steel. I do like these counterpoint blades, they're real nice. It's just single edge, just a big swedge here. And as well as that one, I got the bigger version, the 6-inch version. I'll have to go widescreen for this one. Yeah, I'm a fan of Cold Steel. So this is the Counterpoint XL, bit of a fingerprint magnet. Real nice knife. Massive handle on it. I've got extra large hands and I can hold it like a sword. But the whole point of it is to give you a variation between grip and extended grip. You know, keep the dragons at bay with an extended grip there. Cool knife. I like that a lot. And next one, I've got a Voyager XL. Again, Cold Steel, so I guess I'm a bit of a Cold Steel fanboy, but they make good solid knives at a reasonable price. And this again, this is a 5-inch blade on this one, and again the handle is really good. You can hold it almost like a pistol grip. But again, it can give you some really good reach. Nice knife, Tanto blade there. Made in Taiwan, all of these so far. Forget what steel this one is. It's on there, C1, I don't know, I can't read it, I ain't got my glasses on. Old man problem. The other one's OS 10. And yeah, both of those are OS 10. And here's I'm going to have to go even wider view for this one. So this is the Raj 2. It's my biggest pocket carry, believe it or not, folding knife. It's like a kukri design. And again, the big handle for various grips, extra reach and all that. This is quite a weighty thing, a lot of steel into it. But really nice, I like it. I like it a lot. Again, Cold Steel. Cold Steel OS 10.8. If I can get it focus. OS 10.8 there. That's that one. And then I got a buck knife, Buck 110. And this is the LT, the light version. It's really light, it is really light. Same size blade as the standard 110. Really nice knife, easy to carry. This is a real practical carry for a lot of people. Now, a quick look at a couple of medium size that I've got. Got the Finn Wolf. This is quite a favourite actually. It's really slim. This one's really easy to carry. And with the Scandi grind, good backup bushcraft knife. Yeah, I like this one quite a bit. And the only case lock knife that I've got is the Tribal, and this one's in jigged bone, purple, burnt purple. And that's it. This is really quite a nicely made knife. Again, a fingerprint magnet. I've only recently got this one. I've never carried this one yet. But I kind of like it. And I've got a couple of more case knives to have a look at shortly. I've got one that turned up in the mail yesterday. I haven't even looked at it yet, so I'll put a video out on that one shortly. So there you go guys, that's a quick look at my large Lockback knives, and Go and check out William's Knife Life channel if you don't already know of it. Catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching. One more, how could I forget? This is the original 110. Well, my original. And there's the light next to it. First knife that I ever bought when I arrived in the USA. This one. Catch you later.